Hi guys, this is Loy with you from aeschoolonline.com. In this lecture, we will start creating your first video. We will use a simple method for now to create the first movie. It is very important for you to create that movie or that video because it will give you the satisfaction of your work. You will see exactly what's happening. You can upload it to Facebook, you can upload it to YouTube, for example, and show off with it. You know, you have done your first animation and first video. Later on, it will be very nice. You'll feel great about it. To create our video, we choose a composition or our main composition. In our case, is project 1, and we create a video from that composition. Of course, you don't create any videos from the project itself because the project has many compositions. So you choose your composition and you go to composition and then you say add to render queue. That's the simple option. The most sophisticated option will be using the Adobe Media Encoder. That will come in this course, but later on it's an advanced feature and you need to download Adobe Media Encoder. So let's go to add to render queue. Now render queue will open within the timeline. You can also move it and open it anywhere you want, but in the timeline it will work. There are 3 options that you need to take care of. The best settings, that is the render settings, the output module or the lossless, and you will see how it works, and the output is where you want to save your video. Now we will go first and explore best settings. I will click on best settings. You will have the best settings dialog box open. So first of all, you have quality, which is of course you want to keep the best. Resolution for now, keep it to full unless you're doing some tests. And the disk cache is read only. All the parameters, there is nothing to change here for now. You want to take care of the time span. That is work area only. You can put it to length of comp. We didn't get there yet, but work area only for now will work. And leave all the other parameters as they are. That's okay. Even if you don't do any changes, it will change here, custom best setting. We go now to the output module. We have lossless. We click, and this is the output module dialog box. So the format is AVI. This is because I'm working on Windows. If I were working on the Apple system, it will be QuickTime, the default. I will choose here QuickTime is better than AVI. AVI will give me too much information which I do not need, and only need that huge quality that AVI will present. Now channels, you can have RGB, alpha, that's transparency, or RGB and alpha, or RGB and transparent background, for example. Keep it to RGB for now. Leave depth and color to the same. We didn't use any videos here. So we go to format options. Now animation is the best that After Effects will produce, but it will give you huge files, very big files. But it's better to change to H.264. That will give you a smaller size. It will still be a .mov, or you can use MPEG-4. That will go also fine. And you notice also you have other options that you can use. You can really, explore them, like PNGs, photo JPEG, and even other ones. So PNG is quite good also. It will give you quite a good movie if you want to upload it in a small format. I will stick to H.264, and I want the best setting here, the basic video setting. I want it to be 100. Advanced settings, we don't need to be concerned about these ones. We click OK. Now coming here, there is nothing else you want to change. That's enough. So QuickTime, format H.264, and the spatial quality 100. Cool. We click OK, and then it will post and is ready to render. There is output 2. Let's go to our project files, and we say we want to create project 1, and it's a .mov. Fine. We click save and we render. It will take few minutes because this is a very small movie to render. Look, it's running for me. It's pretty good, and it'll beep a bit. I don't know if I'm recording system sound, but maybe you heard it. It will beep. Now I have my own movie. I will go to my file explorer and open the movie. And here you are. It's quite cool. So please render or create your first video, it is very important you do that and get the satisfaction. You can also upload it on YouTube, send us a link, and I will share it with everybody so they can see your work. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next lecture.